Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another special day, so we thought to vlog it as it is going to be in our memory. I have my husband with me here, Tejas. He's saying hello to you. Where's your voice gone? Yeah, so we are going for the vaccination. It's going to be our first dose of vaccination, and yeah, I can't believe it. Last year, this time, we were all not even sure if there would be any vaccination or not. And today, it's a blessing, isn't it? It's a blessing that there is a vaccination. I don't remember when I was small when I got any vaccination. So it's like growing up and getting vaccination. It's a different feeling. I don't know what I feel. What do you feel, Tejas?
What do I feel? Listen, guys, I'm not confident at all in front of camera.
It doesn't matter. Nobody's watching.
It's her.
Nobody's watching.
She's forcing me to
Come on.
speak.
Yeah, it's okay.
Now I feel why baby cries.
Yeah, now you
When they're going for vaccination, I got completely same feeling.
So you are my baby and I'm taking you for the vaccination. If possible, we'll vlog it. Of course, we are going to try to let you guys know how we are feeling after maybe 12 hours or 24 hours if we had any symptoms, because I know people kind of feel feverish and body aches, but as per Mr. Tejas Parekh,
I'm going straight in the gym.
He said he's going to straight in the gym. So okay, don't take our advice. We are not experts. So yeah, this is what it is. We have almost reached, and of course, we will be wearing mask now, so don't think that we are not wearing mask because it was in the park. We'll be wearing mask and we'll record it.
10:40 appointment.
Right.
Yeah, and 10:50 as well.
Right. And in the last 28 days, have you had coronavirus?
No,
Any symptoms?
no symptoms. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we're going straight in to the center. So we are inside the vaccination center and we've been asked to sanitize our hand. That is how the center is. There is all the, and we have to maintain the gap distance between me and my husband and everyone. So there is a queue here, there is a check-in area, and there is a staff all working there, and I'm just here waiting for my turn to come. We have a little bit of queue, but the queue is moving really faster, so it's wonderful. It's not that the queue is taking a while. We've been suggested to drink lots of water, so anybody is going for the vaccination, make sure you are drinking lots of water, paracetamol, ibuprofen. And the guy was saying, even if you think that you can't drink water, you still keep on drinking lots of water. So that's what we are going to do. So yeah, very looking forward to getting the first dose. Today is 11th of May 21. Okay, yeah.
So any allergies to any medications?
No allergies.
Any previous allergic reactions to any vaccine?
No, I'm fine with that. Yeah.
Participating in the COVID vaccination trial?
No.
Are you pregnant that you know of?
No.
Take any breathing disorders?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
And any type of vaccine you also know?
No, nothing. So I was just being asked few questions regarding the necessary questions before I start the vaccination. For Tejas vaccination, he has chosen to take it on his left hand.
There's no bleeding or anything, symptoms okay now? Brilliant. Thank you.
Is
Just
that?
remember to book your next appointment about 10 to 12 weeks.
How can we do that?
You can do that online or just try
Oh, just now we can do it. Okay, sweet.
You can take the same.
Is it with the same link what we receive
You
via
can
text
use the same
message?
link, it's the same website.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you.
So same thing, feel unwell, paracetamol, water. Today is a blood pressure problem, but it's just things to keep an eye for. Do you know which shoulder you prefer? Okay, so you just turn around this one. That's better.
It's a needle. It's a big needle. Okay.
It's a very big needle. Yeah, I'm very scared. No,
No.
I'm happy.
They're gonna use the animal injection, horse one, because you have thick skin.
Okay. So we.
You are gone. See, it's taking time. They are preparing.
Stop it. Cheeky.
My one was quick. They can't decide which one.
Stop. No,
It's a big needle you are looking for, isn't it?
They are going to give you animal injection. That's why they are taking longer. They have to decide. Thank you.
Just edit it and cut it because people are not interested in watching you.
Yes, please.
Just watching your face now.
Stop it.
On the top you got mask. Go on.
There's no bleeding, so you're good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just
Nice
remember
one.
Second appointment, 10 o'clock. Are any of you driving home today?
No.
Okay, so you don't have to wait around, you're just free to go if you want.
So we both had our vaccination, and I'm feeling little bit heaviness on my left arm. I don't know. I think so. It's quite normal. And they now back to Mr. Tejas. You must have heard his commentary when I was getting vaccination. That's him here.
I didn't cry.
Cry.
But I'm super scared of needles.
You are scared of needles, are you?
I'm not really. But I cannot feel anything.
If I have any symptoms or if Tejas has anything, we would just update. This is only, we are recording this only for people who might be interested, who don't know or who are scared. We are not experts.
I am scared. Or what should I say? I was scared.
Yeah, Harry. Harry. Why did I say Harry? Tejas. Even I was feeling mixed feeling. But if you have given a choice, it's good to take it. We will be booking our next appointment soon. Once this is gone done, we will be booking it and we heading to home. Bye for now. It's 4 now, almost more than 4 hours for me to take the vaccine, and I'm feeling heaviness on my left hand. So it started from where it was, and the whole hand I am feeling a little bit heavier. I did take rest and drinking lots of water. That's what I have been doing. So I thought, let me just update now. So we thought to update you all what happened after our vaccination. Today is 13th May. We didn't record anything, but we'll just share what happened in those 11th May till 13th May today.
Hi all. Yeah, it's almost 60 hours right now. If I tell you about myself, I was so confident that nothing will happen to me.
Yeah.
And that's what happened in the first 12 hours. Nothing has happened. I've done all my cleaning stuff. I cleaned my garden as well.
Yes.
And it was around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock somewhere I've done it. And then about midnight, I start feeling feverish. And then around 1 o'clock, that's it. I was feeling really cold,
Yeah.
shivering and everything. I was having 5 layers of quilt, almost 5 layers.
Yeah, you had 5 layers.
Yeah.
I counted them. Even second day he had fever. He was lying on the sofa. He had no energy, could not walk, and yeah, it was really bad. Did you had body aches?
Yes, my lower body was pain.
Yeah, he was feeling vomiting as well. What happened with me? I didn't had any fever. I was feeling very body aches and pain, and I was feeling very lethargic. I just wanted to rest and sleep. My left arm was like I could feel the pain from here until the whole hand. Today is okay. One of the advice I would definitely say is make sure you know what you are going to eat, because we both didn't had any energy to do anything. All we were doing is making sure we are drinking plenty of water, having fruits. I think so. Today morning, Tejas was feeling completely fine. He was back to his. He was back to his. Today morning, I meant we had vaccination on 11th, so 12. So just kind of 2 days, not even 2 days. Yesterday, 12th was a really hard day for both of us. Harry was being really good, very understanding. So that really helped, because he knew that mommy daddy is going for vaccination. So he was being really, really understanding boy. Yeah, Harry?
He had his breakfast in 5 minutes.
He finished his breakfast in 5 minutes. That is like never happened, but he cooperated with us very well. So yes, that was the update from our side. We will record our second vaccination as well. Let's see if we both will get appointment together or how it goes. but we will definitely update our second appointment as well. And yes, I think so. It's just for one day. It's okay, you know. Harry is in some another. It's time for us to sleep. We are ready and to, just get into the bed and sleep and have a nice time. And there's Mr. Cheeky Monkey in the house. Thank you all for watching. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe, like, and comment. And if you want to share your experience, how it all went, you had any symptoms or anything, please comment down below. And yes, that's us signing off.
Okay,
Bye.
Okay,
Bye. Bye.